5, we're kicking it off in Chelsea in a prime location with unbeatable value. 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath for under $2 million. Let's go. Let's check out this 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath in the heart of Chelsea. We're going to begin in the dining area where you're immediately greeted by elegance, featuring honed Arabescato Bluette marble countertops that elevate the entire space. Next, we're going to move into the first bedroom. The first bedroom is currently styled as a home office, perfect for remote work or creative space. Now, just off the hallway, we're going to make our way to the powder room. The powder room is sleek, modern, and ideal for guests. Adjacent to the powder room is the main bathroom. The main bathroom is wrapped in luxurious Pellegrino vein marble tiles. The walk-in shower is finished with Allura gray marble, creating a spa-like retreat. Then, we're going to make our way to the main bedroom. The main bedroom has a ton of space, good light, and a really relaxing vibe. This unit is in the heart of Chelsea for $1.995 million. Let me know what you think about it, and I'll see you on the next one.